I am Otalora, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to my application for the AIESEC International Team 1617, the team that will transform the movement.
I was born in Barcelona, in Spain, the 1st of May of 1995 as part of the first year of Generation Z. I feel so connected with this generation, which is defined for being global, social, visual, and technological.
Don't let someone tell you you can't do something. You got a dream, you got to protect it. You want something, go get it.
That's what I do in my life, and this philosophy brought me to convert each dream I had into a plan in order to achieve it. When I started university, I was not satisfied just studying, and as I am an explorer, I joined different associations until I found AIESEC, the one that breaks my barriers, offering me a space to develop and discover myself in a professional and personal way. Since the beginning, I felt connected to the vision of the biggest youth-run organization, as it's related with my goal in life to contribute to a better world. I joined AIESEC in the LC of my university in Barcelona, where I had the chance to create from scratch a department of IGIP with an exponential growth of 1000%. After this experience, I found out that my passion in life is for emotional resonance, using words and actions to have an impact in my environment. This brought me to continue discovering what makes me strive for the best version of myself. So I ended up joining the national team as BD manager, in which position I was awarded as top seller for bringing sales in Spain to the next level with a growth of 600%. Meanwhile, I was part of different OCs where I developed my expertise in event management, but this was not enough for me, so I decided to apply for MCPBD of AIESEC in Spain, my current position right now, where I had the chance to work in Impact Hub, surrounded by purposeful entrepreneurs, outstanding ideas, and business model creations such as Ashoka, Freightrate, and companies that are transforming education and technology. So far in my term, I figured out how to create the key strategic alliances to ensure the sustainability and empower the operations of the entity. I also define B2B strategies in sales to capitalize in the social networking and future attraction to our company's OP. Being the Youth for Global Goals project responsible in my MC, I had to fully manage the Youth Speak Forum in Spain, and right now I'm working together with the governmental institutions and the UN agencies which are responsible for the sustainable development in Spain to co-create new products and new engagements with the stakeholders to implement the global goals in Spain. As part of the GST team as Youth for Global Goals Partnership Manager for Europe, I'm working directly with AIESEC International to set key strategic alliances with UN initiatives and both UN and European Commission agencies in order to make Youth for Global Goals campaign viral. Thanks to this climate, I get more clarity on what I would like to do in my future, to create massive initiatives which, by challenging the way things are supposed to be, strives for the best version of our world and its citizens. In AIESEC, we have the secret formula to develop the leaders that the world needs, the ones who are going to build a better world in 2030. That's why I want to be part of the team that is going to work through the uncertain path to set disruptive innovation strategies to achieve our vision.
In the next year, I envision an AIESEC that creates a tremendous youth leadership movement by becoming an ambidextrous organization that is able to use innovation as a key strategy to transform our status quo. As I'm applying to Explorer, I'm going to present you the two following strategies which ones are going to allow us to achieve a level of innovation to go out of the box and achieve our midterm ambition.
The first one is about improving. We have to exploit our current products, mainly the ones that are in ELD phase, through incremental innovation to optimize our existing business models. At the same time, the technological breakthrough AIESEC is embedding through the development of COP gives us the possibility to highly specialize in our programs and in the service we are offering to our partners. With these action steps, we will be able to cover short-term budget goals. The second one is about inventing. We have to explore new products, mainly the ones that are in EWA phase, through radical innovation to design new business models and new value propositions to give AIESEC the option to plug and play. By transforming the way we work with the current markets and approaching new ones, such as financial institutions for development, philanthropic foundations, or grants, we should test the prototypes in order to gather the learnings and evolve it until it's packaged and ready to be launched. All of this will allow us to determine the long-term development of the organization. Through the Partnership Model Canvas, we will be able to define the value exchange between the new range of partners and ourselves.
With both strategies, we will be able to understand the social and economical world needs and capitalize in our organizational expertise in youth leadership development through cross-cultural practical experiences to create value across sectors.
Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed reading my application. See you soon!